welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Ursula look for you poor unfortunate souls. Also, I'm going to be showing you how I did my hair. My hair is long and so I can't really do the spikes, but she reminds me of a very classy woman because she has red lipstick and, you know, her black little tentacles. So that's what I'm doing here. And let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is my hair, and I'm going to do like a victory roll because I don't have short spiky hair like she does. So that's what we're just going to do. We're just going to do something because she's black and red. Like she has a black outfit, purple, and then deep red lipstick. So to me that spells classy. So we're just going to do like this 50s victory roll and then put the rest up, and it'll be really fun. Okay, and victory rolls are not that bad to do. Okay, so we're just gonna push a little section to the side, take two of our fingers, and we're gonna like wrap it around in a way. So I'm doing that. So let's just get, okay. It's harder than it looks, I promise. Especially when you have long hair. You're going to take a bobby pin and put it right there. And it sort of looks like a tentacle. See? Secure the back. It may look silly, but it'll complete our outfit. Okay, and then I'm going to take everything else. I'm going to pull it all up front, and we're going to do a roll up front. So let's hairspray all that. Make sure it's nice and smooth everywhere. You could probably put it in a ponytail. So we're going to put it in a ponytail right on top, right by our victory roll. We're going to spray it down. My hair's so long. Smooth it out. It out. We're going to take our two fingers again and we're going to roll it up front. You could probably do a different hairstyle with this too, but this is the one I'm going to do for my Ursula. And once that's secured, spray that down. Now because Ursula has white hair, I have got some white spray. Okay, I think it looks good. Let's move on to our makeup. So I already added my base and a primer. So, okay, so I've been looking for a good purple that'll go on, and this is the only purple I found. I got it on Amazon. It is made by Paradise Makeup. I will put a link in the description below. It's supposed to be good coverage, so this is my third trial with this. Not this, but like other things, so I'm hoping this works. Now they said it works better wet, so we're gonna wet our sponge. And we're just going to apply this. Oh, yes. Oh, beautiful. Okay. This is awesome. Oh. Oh, yes. This is great. Okay. I've tried a lot of things. This is awesome. And it does go on better because you can tell when it runs out of water. Oh, look at that. Oh, don't forget your ears. Oh my goodness. Oh, how fun is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna get all the way down. We're gonna do our neckline. Now you gotta stay tuned because I will also be doing a costume. Each year I do a villain, and this year, well, this is who I am. My little girls are gonna be little mermaids, and maybe I'll convince my husband to be Prince Eric. That'll be exciting. Here we go. Oh my goodness, it's like barely using anything, guys. Like, and look at that coverage. Get it into your hairline. You want to look like a real Ursula here. Now, from what I understand and the reviews I've read, this does not stain clothes. Don't take my word for it, just that's what other people have said. So, am I starting to look like Ursula? Hopefully. Okay, next I'm going to be filling my eyebrows in, and she has thin eyebrows and I have thin eyebrows, so it's perfect. If we just do that here. Yes, make those babies dark. Okay, now that we got our eyebrows done, we are going to work on our eyes. From this hard candy palette, I'm going to be using this dark blue right here. It works best when it's wet. Up into the arch. See how I'm doing that? And we're going to leave our eyelid for a light blue color. So a nice arch there. Now that we've finished both eyelids, we're going to take a lighter blue. This is from Sally's, I think, Beauty Supply. And we're going to get that wet a little too. And we're just going to apply the light blue right there. I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little scary right now how I look. But that's how she looks. We'll get the red lipstick on and it'll bring it all together. I'm just going to add some black eyeliner now. Just liquid eyeliner. And then put some mascara on and we'll get our finishing touches. Now for the lip, I'm using Blue Red by Lip Sense. And we're just gonna put that on. So we're just going to do a little bit of highlighting. I've got this hard candy palette right here. As you can tell, I love hard candy. We're just going to take one of our fingers just in the white right here. And we're just going to go down the nose to highlight, on the cheeks to highlight. Okay guys, that is our Ursula makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Stick around because I'm going to do the costume to bring it all together. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!